Hello, sixth graders. Nick teacher here, and we're reviewing lesson 10. So this lesson, you learned how to ask about the past and who did what. So let's review lesson 10. And we're listening to Beethoven music. So remember that, there's a question later. Okay, so what did we learn? So here's an example. Oh, look at this game. Who made this game? So this is past tense, 과거. So past tense verb, who made this game? Nick teacher did. Yes, this is my game, Super Neat Cat. You can search it on Google and you can see my game. I like to make games for my hobby. So here is the sentence structure. So who blah blah the blah blah. 누가 이 비를 에 했니? So example, who wrote the book? The normal word is write and past tense is wrote. And then any type of item here. And this is the answer. Blah blah did. C did. Si가 했어요. Shakespeare did. Shakespeare, famous writer for Romeo and Juliet. So you could say, who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Shakespeare did. So this is our key question. And then this is just to get confirmation, to double check. Did you say blah blah? 쓰라고 이야기했거니? Did you say Shakespeare? So to double check, did you say blah blah? And then the answer, yes, I did. So that's easy peasy. So let's look at the past tense verbs. There's many different ones in English. You just kind of have to memorize them and use them often. So here's the ones your book introduced. So the regular past tense verb adds ed at the end. So let's look. Oh, here these guys are. Oh, this one is invent turns into invented. So invent, invented. Past tense, who invented this? So who created this? Who made this the first time? Invent. Oh, this is Bob Ross. I think you call him Bob Ross 아저씨. So paint is now. Past tense is painted. Please repeat. Say paint. Painted. Who painted this? Who painted the painting? Bob Ross did. Oh, here's the movie Ratatouille. The rat is teaching him to cook. So past tense, cooked. Who cooked this? And these are irregular verbs. So these ones you just have to memorize how they change. So right now this cartoon is drawing, draw. Past tense is drew. Drew, the A becomes E. Draw, drew, draw, drew. I'm drawing a picture. I drew a picture. Who drew this? This cartoon did. Oh, here's origami art, paper art. You would say make, made. Who made this crane? This origami crane? This person did. Who made this? Oh, I'm pretending to write something. I'm pretending to write something. Or write. Wrote. So, past tense, wrote. 써요, 썼어요. Like that. Who wrote this? Oh, Legos. You build Legos. You build buildings. Built. So D becomes T. Build, built. I'm building Legos. Or yesterday, I built Legos. Who built this? Someone did. And here's some examples. Famous art piece. Who drew this picture? Or you could say, who painted this picture? Van Gogh did. Did you guess that? Here's another famous one. Who drew this picture? Who painted this picture? Oh, he did. He is Leonardo da Vinci did. Oh, another famous one. Who drew this picture? Who painted this picture? Oh, he did. Picasso did. Picasso did. Oh, here's another one. Looks like a Korean style. Who drew this picture? Kim Hong-do did. Oh, looks like they're doing some, what's that called? Shirim. Very cool. Pansori. Oh, here's Mr. Olaf, the snowman. Who made Olaf? Elsa did. You could maybe say, who invented Olaf? You could also say, Elsa did. Elsa did. Oh, here's the first airplane. Who invented airplanes? Who invented the airplane? So who invented airplanes? Oh, they're brothers. Wright brothers did. Another example. Who invented hunger? You know this one. Name's right there. King Sejong did. Oh, here's the cool turtle battleship. Who invented Gobuksan? Lee Sun-shin did. There he is. Very cool. Oh, who invented the electric bulb? Oh, there he is. What's his name? Edison did. Thomas Edison did. His name is Tom. Oh, here's the cool little sundial. Uses the sun, makes a shadow. Who invented sundial? He Shige. Oh, there he is. Jang Yong-shil did. Very cool. Oh, who wrote this song? So in the beginning of the video, who did I say is created this music? Who wrote this music? There he is. Beethoven did. Beethoven did. Oh, here's Hamlet. You see a hint here. Othello. Who wrote this book? Shakespeare did. William Shakespeare is his name. Shakespeare did. So, want to do more review? Go to page 152 in your book, and you can practice all these past tense words here. I think it's really good if at home you practice them. So anything you do, try practicing like, I'm eating dinner. And then when you're done, say, I ate dinner. That's the best way to learn. So practice past tense all the time. And your mission, if you made it to the end of the video, is to post an example on Classting. So who, blah, blah, the blah, 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 blah did. So here's an example. Who wrote the song, Still With You? BTS Jungkook did. So just make any example you like using a past tense word, and someone did. And we'll look at them on Classting. Okay, that's the end. I hope you had a good Christmas, Merry late Christmas, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.